Hey guys, I'm back with another video tutorial on WordPress coding. So one of my client has a website and they have a recent post widget like this one in their website, and they do not want to show posts or articles other than articles category. So actually they want to show these links only coming from the articles category, not any other categories. So I have created one setup here for you. Here you can see there is a second post in uncategorized category. You can see here. So for small tasks, I always avoid plugins and write some code. So let me show you how I did this here. So here is the code which I wrote in functions.php file of child theme. Okay, you need to write this code in functions.php file of your child theme, and if there is a no child theme, then you have to write in your main theme. So main themes functions.php file. So basically I am using widget post argument filter and writing a one function for that, and in that filter I am actually providing extra argument. I want all the posts from this category only, articles category only. You can see it here. So I am actually adding one extra parameter in by default arguments provided, and passing that arguments again further. So now all the posts from this article category only will be shown on recent post widget. You can see it here. I'm going to now refresh the page, and you can see the second post is gone. There is only first and third one because the second post was from the uncategorized category. You can see it has only uncategorized category. Others has multiple, but I want to show post only from the articles category. So this is very simple code. You will find this in the description of this video and on my website also, and you can play with this filter and do many things, like if you want to change the output of this recent post widget here for the particular category, like if you have ABC category and you want, when user is surfing any post from that ABC category, this recent post widget must show all the links from that particular category only, not the very recent post. Okay, so you can do such things also by just adding some conditions over there and writing some code. Let me know if you would like to see such code, and I will make another video on it. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.